In a world where technology knows no bounds, the iPhone 15 thunders into the arena, a titan of innovation, a siren song for tech enthusiasts worldwide. It's not just a smartphone, it's a revolution, a testament to the power of human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of perfection. So buckle up as we embark on a journey through the labyrinth of its features and specifications. First, let's delve into the heart of this digital beast, the A16 Bionic chip. This is not just a processor, it's a powerhouse. It makes multitasking a breeze, gaming a dream, and ensures your phone operates with the speed and efficiency of a cheetah on the savannah. The A16 Bionic chip, a marvel of modern technology. Next, we journey to the camera, or should I say, cameras. The iPhone 15 boasts a quad camera system. The primary sensor is a whopping 64 megapixels, ensuring each photo captures a universe of detail. The ultra-wide lens, telephoto lens, and a LiDAR scanner join forces to provide unparalleled photography experiences. From stunning landscapes to precious moments, the iPhone 15 immortalizes them all in incredible detail. The display, a vibrant canvas of pixels, is a massive 6.7-inch OLED with promotion technology. It immerses you in a world of vibrant colors, sharp contrast, and fluid motion. Whether you're watching a movie or scrolling through photos, the iPhone 15 offers a feast for the eyes. But what about its battery life? Fear not, the iPhone 15 has you covered. With an impressive 25-hour talk time and 15-hour video playback, it ensures you stay connected longer. The addition of MagSafe and wireless charging capabilities adds to the convenience and futuristic allure. The iPhone 15 doesn't just deliver on performance, it's a symphony of design as well. Its ceramic shield front cover, surgical-grade stainless steel edges, and a back made of textured matte glass exude a sense of luxury and sophistication. It's not just a phone, it's a fashion statement. Finally, the iPhone 15 offers an unprecedented level of security with Face ID, now faster and more secure than ever. It ensures your data remains your own, offering peace of mind in a world where digital security is paramount. To summarize, the iPhone 15 is a marvel of technology, a titan in the smartphone arena. Its A16 Bionic chip delivers unrivaled performance, while the quad camera system captures the world with breathtaking detail. The vibrant 6.7-inch OLED display immerses you in a world of color, and the impressive battery life keeps you connected longer. Encased in a luxurious design and offering top-tier security, the iPhone 15 is not just a smartphone, it's a testament to human ingenuity, a revolution, a game changer. Welcome to the future.